Well, toss your old makeup in the box. Alright, here I go. Ugh. Happy birthday!
You remembered!
Sure.
Thanks! That's so sweet! Huh? What's this? Used makeup? What is this supposed to mean?
Gotcha!
I can't believe you did this! They're always so mean to me. Ugh, whatever. I'll show them. Especially you, mean girl. Alright, let's see what I can use here. Are these tweezers still good? I guess I need a brow fix.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's do this.
Here I go.
No, come on.
Dang, it's not working.
No, what's wrong with you?
Sorry, maybe I'll just bite the hairs off.
Let's try.
Say goodbye to the hair. Got it. Whoa!
Yeah! You ripped a chunk out! Alright, let's sharpen you.
Yeah, that feels so good.
Better now?
Oh yeah, now I'm ready for action.
Okay, let's try again.
Switching to trim mode. Nice! It's working!
There we go. Much better. Phew, that bath felt amazing. Ooh, my hair's still wet. Alright. Let's try it.
Hello there.
Hey! Stop smoking! Work already! Oh no! You're not feeling great, huh? Alright, hope you can blow properly now.
I'm trying my best.
Let's crank it up.
Then hold on tight.
Wow! Still got some power, huh?
Of course. Always happy to help.
Thanks. But now my hair's a mess. Oh. Alright, there was a comb somewhere. Go! Why isn't it working?
I'm kinda old.
Where are your teeth?
What can I say? They're gone.
We'll fix that. Alright, time for an experiment. Let's patch you up with this 3D pen. Like this. Carefully. It's working!
Oh yeah! I feel the power! This is amazing!
Done! Let's test it. Ooh, looks like it works.
Nice! I feel brand new! Let's fix this hair!
Nice! Much better. Thanks.
Just some comb magic.
Now I need some fabric. This'll do. Nice! Now wrap the sock like this. Tie both sides. And done. Let's see. Wow! That looks so good! Alright, what next? Ew, this sponge hasn't been used in ages.
Hello there.
Yuck! You seriously need a wash!
Is that water? It's been so long!
Now let's scrub and squeeze you.
Oh, yeah. This is a nice massage.
Looks done.
Thank you so much.
Alright, I need some BB cream.
Hi, everyone.
What do you think?
Don't use that.
I don't have a choice. Ugh, come on, give me something.
No, please. It's old.
Aw, fine. I've got an idea. Good thing I have this tube squeezer. Let's swap the toothpaste for cream. And squeeze.
What's happening? I think I'm gonna throw up.
There we go. Much better. Ready to work?
If you insist. It's old, but still works.
Wow! My face looks amazing! Alright, time for mascara. What is this place?
Oh, it's dry like a desert.
Ugh, but I really need nice lashes. Let's try anyway.
You sure?
Ew. Let's wet you first.
Hey, easy!
Let's see.
Still stiff.
I know what to do. Here you go.
Oh, yeah! Soothing gel. It's so soft.
Alright, let's try now. Wow, looks great!
Of course, at your service, lady.
Nice! Let's go! Ooh, that feels good!
Oh yeah, you haven't seen the result yet.
Looks pretty good!
You're welcome.
Ooh, I'm kinda hungry. Time for a snack. Come to Mama. So good. Phew, I'm stuffed. Wait, there's something in my teeth. Ugh, that's annoying. Ooh, I've got my bird for this. Need a toothpick? Take it. Oops, I broke it. Need another one. Ouch, careful. Come on. All right, here. Come out already. Ew, that's gross. Snack's over. Oops, my lips are so dry. Hope there's something in here. This lipstick looks weird. It's super old. Ew!
What's wrong? I'm still good.
Maybe I can use this piece.
Don't move. I'll do your lips. Maybe not.
I'll need a lighter. Let's melt you a bit.
What?
First the lipstick, then the broken piece. Now stick 'em and put it together. Wow, it worked!
I feel so much better. Thanks.
Alright, time for my lips.
Careful, like this. It should be a rich color. Oh yeah.
Looks amazing!
I'm so proud of myself.
Alright, we're done here.
No way!
Is that Miley? Wow, she looks amazing! You've got to be kidding me!
Hey guys. I think this is yours.
Wow!
Close your mouth.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
Did you see that? Hey, where are you going? Where did you get your hair done? Wow!
Your lips look amazing.
Ugh, show off! Your outfit is outdated anyway!
Stop talking.
Subscribe to the channel. Yay!